Hi guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. I wanted to send out a happy Mother's Day wishes to all the mothers, all over the world. It is Mother's Day weekend here in the United States. And so just sending you all out a special salute for your role as a mother. I can tell you it is a role that nobody prepares you for, but it is one of the most important roles that I've performed in my entire life. And it has been wonderful for me. It's not many words that I can use to express what being a mother means to me. So I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm sending you well wishes over this Mother's Day weekend. I'm popping in today just to do a singular video about fried green beans. I've done these several times in other videos. I normally link the video in the description box, but what I'm going to do is just have a singular video. So if anybody wants to just make those green beans, it's a standalone video for them to be able to refer to when they're doing their cooking. Okay, so I'm going to bring you all over and show you how to make these fried green beans. They are excellent, and I'll see y'all over here in just a second. All right, guys, so for our fried green beans, all you're going to need to do is have a can of green beans. The Del Monte is the preferred brand to use, okay? So you'll just need one can, and you can double this recipe. All right, so you'll need one can of the green beans, along with either some olive oil or butter. It's whatever your druthers is, and then a tablespoon of sugar, okay? So I'm going to bring you all over to the stove and get started with these fried green beans. All right, so you're going to start off with a pot. You're going to turn that pot on high, and you're going to dump your green beans in, juice and all. Don't drain anything off, okay? And if you're just using one can of green beans and you'll just want to use 1 tablespoon of sugar, I normally will just use about 2 tablespoons of butter, and so that's what I'm going to put in here. There's the 2 tablespoon mark. It's like 1/8 of a cup of oil. Okay, and so then you're just going to, like I said, put this on high, and then you're going to bring this to a boil, and you're going to allow it to cook. So I'll bring you all back once these green beans have made it to a boil. Okay, so it has started boiling, and you can see the butter there is, melting. You're just going to leave it just like this and allow it to boil, okay? Don't do anything. You don't have to stir anything. Just leave it just like this boiling, and I'll bring y'all back as it gets further in the process. All right, y'all, so you see how this is boiling? This is exactly where you want this to be. It's in a good place. So just like I said, just continue to leave it alone and allow it to continue boiling and cooking. And I'll bring you all back as it gets a little bit further in the process. Okay, y'all, so now you can see that it's boiled on down. You're starting to see the green beans. And you'll also notice a sweet smell. And as it's cooking, you'll notice that it's starting to get that sweet smell. And so that's a good thing. Okay, so you can stir it around a little bit. Just make sure that as you're stirring, that you, with your spoon or spatula, that you scrape the ends with a soft spoon, like a silicone, that you kind of use that glaze that's around the side of the pot and move the green beans around that glaze, okay? Because that's what you're doing, is creating a glaze with the liquid from the canned green beans, the butter, and the sugar, okay? So, all right, and I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to take that top part off. You see that right there? I'm just going to remove that, and then I'm going to put it back in there, okay? But that's how you want it to look. So it's going to keep going. I don't think that it's ready yet, okay? So I'll bring you all over as it gets even further in the process. All right, y'all, so you see the sizzling and you can hear the popping. And so now we're getting into the process where we're about to turn these off. And remember to keep these on high the entire time. And you'll want to make sure that the spoon or spatula that you use is a longer handled spoon or spatula, because the steam from the green beans can be kind of painful if you're not a more seasoned, cook or what have you, okay? It doesn't bother me too much, but I'm used to it. All right, so we're just going to swirl these around, and you can see this glaze. See that? That's what the green beans are in. It's got a little syrup there. And so we're just going to keep swirling these around in that syrup. Look at that. All right, and so they are, if you, at this point, you can let these continue cooking if you want them to have like more of a scorched effect. Like some of my kids like them to be a little scorched and dark. But normally you would stop at this point. You can smash these down if you would like to, or you can just leave them kind of whole. And when I say smash them down, it's not smashing all of them. It's just a few, just to give it kind of that, you know, country look, like southern look. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. And that's it. Those are the fried green beans. And they are excellent. They are so, so good. Okay. All right. I'm not going to taste test these because I've done them before, taste tested them before. We have them all the time. I may grab one here and just taste it. Yeah, my kids really enjoy these green beans. They're excellent, excellent. Okay, let me taste it. They're good. They are so good. Anyway, all right. Well, I will see you all next time at 234 En La Casa for more videos. And I'm probably going to make some type of protein to go with these. If I do, I'll film that and put that video up as well. Okay. All right. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.